So once again, thank you so much for being a part of our Insurance Award Summit 2019. So I'd like to know about your experience with Quest.
Yeah, actually, this is maybe second or third time that I might have come for the Quest Annual Summit, and every time I find very relevant topics are being taken for discussion, and the panelists really do justice to the subjects which are given. This time's theme is really wonderful because going forward, the digital intervention in insurance sector is going to be phenomenal. And how it will help the insurance companies, how it will help the customers, how it will help to detect the frauds, and in the process, how the entire gamut of insurance will undergo a systemic change. That is something which is very important and relevant, and I must compliment Quest for deciding on the subject. And I went through the panel subjects which are also given, the panel discussions that will happen in due course of time. And I find they are also absolutely relevant to the subject. And everybody who attends this Quest Annual Summit definitely has got a lot of takeaways which he will have. Thank you so much.
Thank you. One last question. One message to the next generation from both customers and stakeholders' perspective from your side.
I won't say it is a message, but the future is digital. But that does not mean that individual intervention will be dispensed with. Actually, as far as insurance is concerned, it will be supplemented. The efforts of individual intervention will be supplemented through digital. And that is something which is important. So it is not that it will be either or, but it will be both. And the new generation should understand, and they are understanding the importance of digital. And more and more policies now are being sold on digital platform. There has been phenomenal growth in marketing through digital, and this will continue, I'm sure.
Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of the Insurance Summit. We look forward to see you again and again. Thank you so much.